guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Isaac again. Today on airplane mode, we will talk about the new United Airlines Boeing 777 die-cast model from Daron Toys. Put on your seatbelts and let's fly. Welcome back, guys. Let's talk about the box. So right here you can see the United logo. The United colors are right around the airplane. The serial number will be down below. Do not give it to your young brothers or sisters because that 3+ means 3 years and older. On the back of the airplane, you can see the runway design behind the airplane. On the back of the box, you can see an amazing picture art of United Airlines. And you can see customer information on these letters. The barcode is around $10. You can find it in Amazon.com, DaronToys.com, or in any retail stores around the airport. Now let's open it. Wow, look at this beautiful airplane. I need the scissors, please. Look at the details on the back of the tail. It shows a shiny reflection right there. See it? See that little hole right there? That is so you can mount it on the stand if you want to. Now I'm going to introduce you to my friend Captain Abu to give you more information of this airplane. Thank you, Isaac. So the scale of this airplane is 1/400. And in real life, this airplane can carry more than 300 passengers. It is used for intercontinental traveling. Back to you, Isaac. Thank you, Captain Abu. Now, let's take our last look at this beautiful United Airlines airplane die-cast. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. This airplane is going into my collection right now.